Hello guys, I am Sagar Sonane and today I am discuss about the prokaryotic cell, what is the functions, structures and all basic facts about the prokaryotic cell. So first of all, have about that the prokaryotic cell is a unicellular organism. So prokaryotic cell is a type of cell that does not have a true nucleus or the membrane bound organism. Okay, means in the prokaryotic cell, no nucleus does not present, and in which membrane bound organisms like endoplasmic reticulums, lysosomes are also not present. Okay, so organisms that have a prokaryotic cell are the unicellular, so they can called as a prokaryotes. Okay, prokaryotic cell has several elements that are allow to functions as a living organism. Prokaryotes are covered in a cell membrane. Okay, so this membrane allow them to create a specific environment within the cystole that allows a biochemical reaction to take place. Okay, so those cell house both loose DNA and ribosomes. Okay, so tough ribosomes are organelles. They are not bound by plasma membranes. Okay, so means ribosomes are the organelles which are present in the prokaryotic cell. They are not bound by the plasma membrane. So okay, together DNA and ribosomes work to produce protein that cell needs, gather nutrients and reproduce, and even define themselves in the face of environment changes. Okay, so prokaryotic are much more smaller than the eukaryotic cell. Means eukaryotic cell is a longer or the biggest than the prokaryotic cells. Okay, means the size of the prokaryotic cell is small than the eukaryotic cells. Okay, so in general prokaryotic cell are smaller because it has a less DNA and they create protein needed to make an ultra efficient membrane. Okay, so that is the reason behind why prokaryotic cell are smaller than the eukaryotic cell. Okay, so cell reach size where they can no longer important of the nutrients they need for volume of the cystoles. Okay, they contain, this is known as a surface area to volume ratio limit. All reaction within the prokaryote take place within the cystole of the cells. Okay, means the reaction which can take place in the prokaryotic cells are take place within the place that is the cystoles. Okay, so next point of the prokaryotic cell, that the prokaryotes reproduce through the binary fissions. Means prokaryote can be reproduced the method that called as a binary fission, a process that simply splits duplicated DNA into the separate cells. Okay, so while many prokaryotic cells have adapted to free living within the environment, other wave adapted to live within guts of other organisms. Okay, so that prokaryotic cell do not have the true nucleus that contain their genetic material cells do. So this sentence can prove that is a prokaryotic cell is a unicellular because they do not contain the nucleus. Prokaryotic cell have a nucleoid regions, is an irregularly shaped region that contain cells DNA and is not surrounded by a nuclear envelope. Okay, so like eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell have a cytoplasm, a gel-like structures or the substances that makes upliving of the cells. Uplining of the cells. Cytoskeleton that have a component of cell in a place. Okay, so both prokaryotic cell and the eukaryotic cell have a ribosomal, which are the organelles that produce protein, and the spaces in the cell that store and help to eliminate waste. Okay. Okay, some prokaryotic cell have a flagella, which means flagella have a tail-like structures and that enable organism to move around. Okay, means flagella, in the prokaryotic cell, flagella is present their structure is a tail-like structure, and they can help to prokaryotic cell to move around. Okay, so prokaryotic cell are distinct organelles bounded by the membrane. Okay, and the many reactions of the prokaryotic cell conduct or happen by the cell in the cytoplasm. Means the reaction which are happen in the prokaryotic cell, the reactions of the prokaryotic cell that happen in the cytoplasms. Okay, and there are two main components that are present in the prokaryotic cell. The first component is the cell membrane, and second component is the DNA. So that is all about the prokaryotic cell, their functions, their structures, the organelles which are present in the prokaryotic cell, and the main is the flagella that is help to prokaryotic cell. Means flagella can play important role in the prokaryotic cell, and all the informations about the prokaryotic cell in this video.